All right, let's do what we were born to do. What we were born to do. First of all, we'll be doing some. I think I'm live now. Live. So just where's my face? Okay, let's get it going. Mm. Huh? I went live again. I went live now. I went live here.
I think Google Meet was like faster with the UI and everything. Used faster.
I connect please.
Actually,
On YouTube, right?
yeah, YouTube is so Google Meet is it's the right way to go.
Marketer. Okay, just for today, yeah, for today. Let's make it a this. Let me paste the link on the group chat. Okay, fine, right? You should share it to us.
Subscribe to it. Yeah.
Woo! Let me the links there. The link. Okay. Are we good to go?
Yes.
All right. Good afternoon, guys. So today we're going to be doing projects on Django. Now, Django is a framework. I was playing it briefly before we start. We don't have much time. It should be like a 2 hour video or less than. So just flow with me. If you have any issue, challenge, just drop it on the start on the chat and I will get across to you. Okay. Having said that, let's push. Okay. So first of all, today we're going to have a hands-on coding session where we will build three exciting projects together. These projects are beginners friendly, but we will give you a real taste of Python, Django, and web development. Now, today we have three projects working on today. One, we're building a QR code scanner with a CSV output. Python projects using OpenCV. So you can scan an image, a QR code, and send the link into a CSV, in Excel format. The second one will be doing an expense tracker pro. Now these are all back end, no front end for it, but Python. An expense tracker pro, the program that will manage and track all expenses you have. Then if we have time, maybe today or tomorrow we'll do a to-do list app that can with timer, give you the timing, days. You're falling. Ah, Jesus Christ. All right. So we'll start with the first one, QR code scanner, then the expense tracker, then the to-do list app. So just flow with me. Now for the QR code scanner CSV, this project teaches us how to work with computer vision in Python. We'll be able to scan QR codes from images, print the result in our console, and also save the result into a CSV file. CSV means comma separated version value. files so we don't lose them. Think of this as the foundation of scan how many apps scan QR code today, from payment apps to WhatsApp login to Telegram login, and that. So first of all, we'll install Python library called OpenCV. Then we'll put in the images in the Python. The OpenCV will now scan the images, detect it, scan it, give you the results. So it's step by step. How do we begin? Please open your VS Code. Let's start code. I will share my screen and you just follow me. And we'll do that. The next 30 minutes, we're done with this. Should be done with this. Should be done with this. So I'll use two screens. So just I'll use two screens. So bear with me. All right. Please, they don't eat in the class. No, really. If you pay fine, feel free. Yeah. No, not feel free. Okay. All right. So I'm sharing my screen now. So just follow me. Now I love the mind together. So you can go to you can see my screen. Give me okay. Yes, show you now. Sorry, don't mind my view. All right. So go to your document folder, your system, click on it, and create a new folder called dev. I see mine, it's called dev. We do all our projects inside this dev folder. Okay. So go there, put the folder called dev, and let's start. I already have mine already, so we'll do together. If you're done, let me know, or let me just continue. You follow me. Let's all go simultaneously together. So I think I have mine here, and I will do mine again. So from let me just my second screen is here. All right. Now we're so fast, so we won't make mistakes. So you can in that folder which you created right now, dev, open the folder, open the folder, and create a new folder in it. Call the folder call the folder QR code code hyphen scanner hyphen CSV. Okay. Now open the folder I created. Open it. Now it's empty. That's good. So now we're going to create. Now we import it into your VS Code. Now go back to VS Code, and click on or cancel this. Let's add that folder that we made to VS Code. Go to your file and go to add to workspace. That's your folder. That's the place you open. Mine was in this place. QR. Yes. Click on it once. Click on add. It will now appear and show on your VS Code. Okay, show now. Okay, that's shown already. That's shown already. Sorry. That's shown. No, just mine. As it sit here, it's showing now. Okay. Then now Python has what we call pip install. I'll explain it for you guys. Now we will install some packages which we will use to do our Django Python. Some libraries we will use what we call virtual environments. So just follow me. Now, inside that folder showing on your VS Code, inside the folder showing in your VS Code, wait, no, no, no. Yes, open the terminal in VS Code. Type Ctrl J terminal. Switch the terminal from PowerShell to Git Bash. And now make sure the terminal is in that same folder of QR code scanner. So let's do some command prompt language briefly. Let's say that mine is showing is inside the to-do list. I want to go into this QR code scanner. How? To go back, we use CD all in lowercase. So CD dot dot. Now, let me make it bigger. I want to go to this my folder scanner. So LS to view all the folders in your local drive. You see, this QR code scanner should be, yeah, see it here. Now, going into here, I'll type in CD and that folder name. Okay, just quickly copy it to save time. Copy it here and paste. And now see, now I'm in now. See, in. Click LS now. It's empty. Nothing is there. So use CD to navigate to, to or fro. Now we want to install some libraries in a virtual environment so that it will not affect the whole CPU. So that we have it can easily be moved. So let me explain for that. Have we done that? Yeah, I've done it. Okay. So let me explain briefly. So I will say VNV stands for Virtual Environment Python. It's a tool that lets you create environment for your projects where you can install Python codes. How it will be done? First of all, inside that your our folder now empty. Let's create create the environment by putting. Let's see if that Python is installed in your Git Bash. See, just type pyt Python hyphen version. Shows you what mine will show 3.13.3. I mean, it's active. That's the first step. Then with that, to install the VNV by doing Python hyphen n, then VENV, then VENV. So now as my AI said, so let's so briefly. Okay. Now you see that's giving us a folder called VNV. Explain. So in summary, VNV computer environments, it keeps the project file separate. It makes the project clean, portable, and deployment ready. Why do we use VNV? To avoid library conflicts between projects. It keeps everything organized in its own folder. It lets you recreate the exact environment anywhere. So we'll do this. So now that it's done now, we've created the VNV. Let's now turn it on by activating it or by putting source. By using Windows computer, you use scripts. By using MacBook, you use Windows source, then the name of the folder venv forward slash scripts big scripts forward slash activate. Now this now is not activated. Now if she showed us done is we show you that venv in quotes in parentheses system is activated. Let's show you that thing in parentheses is activated. With that, you're good to go. So we will then install, would install would install in a dependency which we use to scan the QR code or the image. So dependency dependency will be called. Now to install a dependency, a package in now um, in Python, what they call pip. We use pip to install it. Following by putting pip install open cv-python. Use that one, use open cv to do that. Once that is done, okay, then where is it's going? Let's now create a new folder inside that our calculus scanner folder. Just click on it, new folder, call the folder img. I will place all our images, our QR code images to scan in it. Img all in lowercase. Then I'm not taking down notes of whatever I do. So um, create a new file, call it command.txt. Put all my command I use for the work there. Command.txt. Once that is done, so this kind of slow here. I think I've installed it there. And mine is showing to update pip install. So that means I'm using in other version of pip. So to update your pip, just put in same thing, put Python hyphen m, then pip install hyphen upgrade pip to move to the current version of the pip installed updating. So Python hyphen m is module, the install hyphen upgrade pip, then enter. That's how it goes. Then it's going. With that, we are going to fly. Okay. I think we are on track. Let's move on. Internet is. I want to come see online. Internet is too slow. It's not really fun in Port Harcourt very well. Port Harcourt is a very wonderful city. Every day it will rain. Okay, just flow with me. So let's just put our command which we are using in our code. So in that command.txt, do this. So to shift your terminal from down to the right hand side, go below, right click, go to panel position, click on right. Good. Now we have it there very well. All right. So now let's put in our command.txt. We did some tool. We did pip install open Python. We did um, we started from to install that environment. We did Python hyphen m venv. We used to um, install install a virtual environment. Then to we did source venv hyphen scripts activate. This is to activate the virtual environment. Virtual virtual environment. Okay, so this OpenCV, what we use to install the OpenCV library. You call them library or package or dependencies are the same thing. You call them library or package dependency or library or packages. All right. For us to also run that's this code now. We run the code by doing run it by doing Python code.py. Is to run is to run the program. Okay, just stay with me, please. If you have any questions, let me know so that I will answer your question. I hope we are together. Who is speaking French here? Franklin. Oh, admission didn't go through. Why didn't it go through, Frank? What's the matter? Is it gone through now? Okay. I'm seeing the one Jack Robinson. Jack Robinson. What's that? Oh, the doll. Oh. Is that an emoji or is it evil spirit? Oh yeah, the Holy Ghost. All right, let's continue. Now we finished with the command of txt. Let's now jump into hey. Let's get the image which we use for our stuff. Okay, I'll send it to you on the group chat. Just you have to just install and download it by yourself. I think I have mine. Let me see if I have mine there. I think so. Just check the WhatsApp group chat which you are on, and we'll send it there. Send it there. Can I open my WhatsApp here? Sir? Let me see. Okay, I think so. Okay. You are in a class, so look wahala. All right. So my WhatsApp here. So I could carry the image and paste it there for you guys. And okay, who's crying money like that? Don't cry. Okay, so I think he's done. So just use that one now. You download the image and paste it to your folder where you have that image folder, and put it there. So I'll take mine. This is my folder we had here, and take the image and put it inside the image folder. Now it's showing here now. So do yours too. It's showing here now. All right, let's proceed. Now we've done the environment, we've done the image folder, we've done the command.txt. Let's now do a folder that will put the results. So put the folder, call the folder results, or outputs. With that, we're good to go. Now create a new file that will do the codes. Call it code.py. Mind you, py is the file extension for Python. You see py means Python. So code.py, and okay. So now, so importing some libraries now. I want to import libraries. Import libraries. So import CV2, import CSV. Okay, let me do this quickly. Sorry, bear with me. Let me share something. Come in.